And this is basically showing you how I make these stickers. Somebody sends me what they want on a sticker, I create it, and then we go through the printing process. And then the printing process is fairly simple. I will get into an in-depth video about how this is done, but for right now we're just gonna let you see how it kind of cuts and does its own thing. And once again, it's all about the program. The program makes it very, very simple, very, very easy, and I highly recommend if you want to start a business or just something where you can make your own stickers, the Cameo 4 is an amazing little unit that will create just about anything your heart desires. And now we're getting to the end of the cutting process. And then we're going to be going through the part where we're going to be doing some weeding. Weeding. Yes, you heard me say it. I'm going to be doing some weeding here in just a second.
Hey dude, what are you doing in the garden?
I've been outside all day and I still haven't found a single sticker.
A sticker?
Yeah, I was watching this YouTube tutorial today and this guy said the most time-consuming part of making a sticker is the weeding. And let me tell you, he was right. I don't think that's what they mean by weeding. Weeding? Come on guys, I thought I told you not to weed without me.
Now this is what they call weeding, everybody. I know it's a little tricky, but this is actually just me weeding out all the pieces that are not needed for the sticker. And as you can see, I basically peel it back, and then we're going to be picking out the individual letters like the O's and anything that has a little part that got cut out as well. So we're going to go through this and let you see how the weeding begins. And as you finish weeding whatever sticker that you've created, you're also going to need some transfer paper. And this is vivid transfer paper. Links will be in the description if you want to know what it is. But basically you just peel off one part and you basically just lay it over whatever sticker it is. You lay it down, you give it some pressure, and I would recommend using a squeegee or some kind of credit card or something to help push that transfer tape onto the sticker. And then you're just gonna peel it back and you're gonna remove it from the vinyl that you cut. And at this point, be very careful, take your time, go slow peeling it back, because it's only gonna help if some of the letters don't stick. You can fold it back down and reapply and pull them off, but in this case it all just came off with one good peel back. And at this point you're just going to reapply the backing from the transfer paper that you had, and same thing, you just lay it down, apply a little pressure, make sure it sticks well to the backing of the transfer paper, and your sticker is done. And at this point, all you have to do is attach it to whatever it is that you want to stick it to.